Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video, or today's vlog, is our moving from Ohio to
LA. I forgot.
We are currently on day 3 of our cross-country trip to Los Angeles. If you're wondering where all of our stuff is, it was really cool because we got to work with a company called U-Pack. I'll put their link down below. U-Pack basically brought out 2 reload cubes to our apartment. It's really cool because they basically just ship those containers from Ohio to California. So I love you!
Oh, I love you! I thought you were talking to them. I didn't know you loved me.
Oh, I love them too, though.
Oh, I love you.
Well, that was your hand. I thought that was my straw.
You want to give me like a weird sideways kiss?
No, because you're gonna...
Give me a weird one.
Stopped at the final hotel. We're an hour outside of LA. Watching the Grammys. Getting Riz energy out. Guys, we made it! It's perfect. Like, I feel like I don't deserve to live in a place like this. I'm out of breath. I'm gonna give you our empty apartment tour. It's so nice. I'm so excited. You come in, you have this little hallway area. First thing you come to is our bathroom. Hello, it's very nice. And then the first door on the first floor is actually the bedroom. You can see how amazing the lighting is. So it's a pretty decent sized bedroom. The only thing is that stupid box right there, but we can hang a photo there. And then in the bedroom, all some of our furniture has already been delivered. We did order some new stuff, so they kindly went ahead and brought it inside for us. We have a full length mirror. Any of my friends from Ohio watching this should be really proud because they always made fun of me for how I never had like a real mirror. So we upgraded, that's for sure. But inside here, you have our closet. Pretty decent sized closet. I can handle this. It's even got a little hiding spot back there, kind of like Shane's panic room, but not as big. Right, and then you have the stairway, which is a cute little gray carpet. Hello, pups. And you come up the stairs to our living room and our kitchen. So this is the kitchen area. If you go up, it's got a really cool like ceiling loft lighting kind of thing. And if we turn it around, we have a huge window. And then here is everything. Here's our living room. It's hard to tell, but you know, got a big living room back here. And then the kitchen here. There's one up there. Noah thinks we should somehow put a plant up there.
I think that'd be cool.
It probably would be cool.
Look at the drawers.
I know, they're so fancy.
They're those like ones that stop right before so you can't like slam them.
Oh, so nice. How do you feel?
I feel great.
Come here. I'm so excited. Okay, gotta show them upstairs. All right, one more floor. So there you have our living room, our kitchen, and for some reason this is down here, but that's okay. Then you have a third floor. It's not really a floor, it's more like a little loft, but.
Rooster, come here.
And then you go up here, and you have the loft. So here is the final room. It is a big open loft. This is probably where our desk will be. I'm out of breath. I work from home, so this is probably where like I'll work during the day. If I look down here, I can see them. And last but not least, we have, oh, it's locked. I haven't actually been out here yet. We have a nice private balcony. How cool is this? Anyways, you guys, in the next video, I don't know if it'll be the exact next video, but we will have our unpacking video / our house tour, like finished house tour coming up very soon. We're so excited to decorate. He's probably not excited to decorate because he gets to put all the furniture together.
Yay.
I try, and then I always break stuff, so I don't want to hear it.
Well, you're good at the decorating though, so we're a good team.
I'll do the decorating.
I love it.
You can do all the building. We love you guys so much, and see you later. Bye.